Well, this is a new team.
Nah, it's just
Nah.
two.
Yeah, it's a new game. Mm-hmm.
I like watching him do
There's something wrong with him.
Huh?
Look up.
Like if Darius can walk, that's him playing defense.
Yeah. You can't shake him because he's already short. You got to double shake him.
It's hilarious. That's how you know we think he's about to suck.
Huh? Yeah. Come on, Tyler, step it up. Let's see something, baby. Jesus. Fuck is that? That's the guy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Nah, I wanted to see him do something with him. Nah, you supposed to do something with him. Supposed to do something with him. You're supposed to do something real disgusting to him. Yeah. You're supposed to fix him.
You would do that, right?
I ain't got to shake like that boy, but yo, he was supposed to fix whatever was the matter with him. Now motherfucker lost his memory, and the only way to fix it is to hit him again. Like nigga get hit, lose his memory. So the only way to fix it is you gotta hit the nigga again, right? But this nigga done, whatever he lost, you gotta do it to him again. Whatever happened to him gotta be done again.
I want to see him shoot again.
That nigga shoot like Larry Johnson. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Looked like he had something there.
He gave him the hesitation and the up fake all at once. How you gonna hesitate and up fake at once? Yo, Taj, he's about to do you. It's just getting ugly.
He might be the best player in the court, just don't know.
That's Jose Barrera. That's Jose Barrera.
Yeah.